All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on Ben Max Studios. My name is Ben Success, and I have with me here
Possible Solution.
All right. This is your usual social news trend. Yes. So as usual, this is Ben Max Studios. But remember, more subscribe to your YouTube channel, no more subscribe to your channel, no, because ebia mo a video biom. Maybe I'm sure you are not going to see it again. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that anytime we post a video, you'll be the first person to watch. All right. And there's a movie. Yeah. Shatta Wale is still trending. And this time around, no, I think like a very good news at the Ghana and the music industry as a whole. Because if you could see like the things that are happening on the social media, like videos, news in there air, you could see the Jamaica for no, and so far as Vybz Kartel ne Shatta Wale concerned, no, there are a lot of positive news coming in. Yes, so if you are a Ghanaian, I think you're supposed to be happy. And now, possible to them.
Oh yes, definitely. Obviously, you have to be happy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Before I start talking, please, Shatta fans, let's give Beam fans, okay? You know.
Relax, you know. Oh no, we relax some more because don't
relax for me.
No, what bash you? The comment section definitely they will come for you.
Relax for Beam fans. Reserve all the energy for Shatta Wale. Let's push Shatta. Yeah, reserve all the energy for him and stop the banter. It's okay. You have done enough. It's okay.
Yeah. Because first of all, Shatta Wale time na oko Jamaica no. You know he didn't travel from Ghana straight to Jamaica.
Yes.
Oko US no oko share ni Rolls Royce ni ade Rolls Royce na nsembe bra ba ho, but odru honum no I think say or a video call with medical or the Rolls Royce ni key ni ade nyina e medical, like, you know, because all no I'm very sure say what news are heading cost say be Ghana for say Rolls Royce no boa na say bibisa into only medical video call no or they key no like keys in any idea or they channel video call in any idea. So after that, you know, I think that was today. Yes, today. No, free US now, or fly with private jet from US to Jamaica with a private jet. I think that I was showing you a video be ana woman be say I think it's 37 private jets landing in Jamaica. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. So that woman was saying, say, I don't know if it is Vybz Kartel na RNG. Sa a friend is saying private jets in any idea na there, but I'm very sure so no one ever organize it, because if Sankenyo Noa Ebianka Shatta Wale free Ghana no, it will be private jets straight from Ghana to Jamaica. Oh, yes. You understand? Yes. But in sure say their plan was Shatta Beko US. So after US, you know, then they will fly him in a private jet to Jamaica. If I'm right. Yes. So Odru US and also Okoye shopping be near there. You know, say Shatta the only Vybz Kartel or more relationship, you know, like I say if you understand what I'm saying. Yes, into Okoye Louis Vuitton shop, Okoye shopping near there. Because as per the news is or the Kwakwache Vybz Kartel, like or the Kwakoma Vybz Kartel, Louis Vuitton, I don't know, like you want to gift it to him. So a whole lot is happening. I don't know, say be also news be I would be one.
Oh, for me no, now I don't have any news. No.
Exactly.
Listen to me.
Okay.
Now I have compliment. Yes, I want to compliment him. Give him energy.
All right.
Yes, you are all praying for positive outcome.
Yeah. Because today is 31st. Today is 31st, right? Today is 31st. Yes, 31st December 2024, and the show is happening tonight as Vybz Kartel Ekanyano. Or say he will be on stage 10 p.m. because he want to start early and close early. So he will be the one to start and then end it. You understand? Into on a stage now, like was starting BBA as at 10 p.m. Jamaica time, which is 10 p.m. No, yes. So I'm very sure say like Ghana phone na as at that time, the your friend is saying anticipation near the and high.
Jamaica time 10 p.m.
Ghana. I didn't check for Ghana, but I think I only check in Dubai because Dubai is 7 a.m.
7 a.m.
Yes, 7 a.m.
So, that is
on the first. So we will be watching it on the first. You understand?
That
yes.
will be 3 a.m.
3 a.m. in Ghana. So I'm very sure that definitely this is Shatta Wale and the like Obia person who send I didn't bed. So I'm very sure that people will be watching. Even as at 3 a.m. People will be watching. So Shatta Wale fly with private jets in there. You were showing the pilots in there or more. No, on board in there. Like he made a video for Ghanaians to see or something like that. So Odru, how do you call it? Jamaica no. Okushia Bustarhymes. On the Bustarhymes picture, but there is something that is going on social media. I mean, say. Bustarhymes, even though only Shatta Wale a picture, okay, fine. The fact say only Shatta a picture, no, doesn't mean say Ibia. So we're posting the picture. Stoneboy shouldn't go and like the picture. I mean, say Ghana for both. Like I said, they are making issues out of it. Say, hey, Shatta ne only a picture in Tiana. Unipa so what should I call like a picture like Shana say something like that. So what I say, I don't see the reason why in Ghana for SR. It's not necessary. See, at time near woman, like we should be wishing our brother well. And you feel now because hey, I didn't think a stone about like a Bustarhymes picture and as I say, we don't need that one for now. From Tunchain, at least then there will be on the TV no on Bompire say at the Kuntia Shatta Wale, like everything should be successful because
I think Stonewall so this also Melo Kakra.
Also, I didn't know what like a picture.
No, also madam, because right now there is tension in the system.
All right,
tension about you and Shatta Wale.
So everybody is looking at whatever that we'll be doing.
This is when you are writing. If you write mistake, the paper say you wanted to write this to Shatta Wale.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
See, now, sorry, then, or relax.
Also calming down.
Anything about Shatta Wale or the ocean.
Okay.
Now this picture now like at this time it's not necessary because everybody say you are envying Shatta Wale glory. Now take your time, relax, take coffee, sit in your room and watch the video. The program low key. Yeah. When you appoint to me, bit to my baby argument and fine. Now they are out.
Yeah.
When you appoint to so now low key. Now I just to me say I kill show.
Now they are
when you better because he's no the bano. I about say being fast and you defend the boy bre. Ya bre.
Defend ya bre.
You defend ya bre. Because your boss or because your boss akwaye say we akwaye say. Yeah. At long last, ebe boys Maguire ne Ramos ne Van Dijk Jumano. Basa ye bre. We na yakwe Opamecano.
Ejumano be I don't know what question ongo bia.
This time around ye ni kotoa nti ya botrema ye. Ya botrema ye. Ye nim say be tension aba nti ya botel. Bibia be your fine ya botel.
Yeah. Nti there is say the way I don't know if like Uncle Fadria Baswa, the way Vybz Kartel or like recognition or they match Shatta Wale, no any like.
I mean, as it relates to special guests on the night, obviously, they're going to be the Bustarhymes from New York, the Shatta Wale, and we definitely want to bring someone
like a friend is saying positions in titles or they match Shatta Wale because. In meeting now, press conference now, he was like international act bi te say Shatta Wale, yewo Bustarhymes, yewo artist bia omo free in for Canada eba. So it means really no to me say as ono ankasa no ope Shatta say. And one thing that I want everybody to know is this kind of show no matter how it is, it's not going to happen again. Because I'm very sure say Vybz Kartel no onko prison bill. There's no way Obeko prison bill. He has been in prison like I think almost 12 years or 13 years. 16 years. He has been in prison for 16 years and he has not performed like encore show bia, encore concert bia for the past 16 years. No, he has not been in any concert. So this is the first concert at Vybz Kartel ever in Jamaica, like their national sports stadium. So definitely it's a big show. It's a very big concert. Like it's not going to happen again. So anybody that is on it, I'm very sure say ABA other African countries now almost share like sa concert win because definitely they have heard about Vybz Kartel. Even if ABA Omunim Shatta, they have heard about Vybz Kartel and the kind of music that he does. So far as dancehall music is concerned. So if Vybz Kartel is making such a concert and he is having someone from Africa, like the only dancehall artist from Africa on ETA, is going to put Ghana on the map. Definitely is going to put Ghana on the map because Ebia Obobo Dinenas or Obo Shatta Wale din. Oh, Shatta Wale, where is Shatta Wale from? Obiabeka say he's from Ghana. They'll go and listen to the kind of music that he does. You understand? So definitely to put Ghana on the map. And it's not a small concert. It's not going to happen again. ANC Bium. So this is the time I feel say Ghana for now or say the Empire boy then. Edi Shatta Wale china like ebia uncle gu ni mase and I say uncle gu on also the brand na ide uncle gu obi ni mase because it's a very big one, very big one, very big one. So far as Shatta Wale ni Africa ni Ghana ni concern, it's not a small thing. It's not a small thing because there are so many dignitaries near there almost mobile because they want to witness whatever that will be happening there. Cameras will be there, the stage and everything, the investment or more shame near there. I'm just praying say everything should go on successfully now. Shatta so yede onji ni di no Ghana so yede yenji edi.
That is why I was saying say this opportunity it come once.
Yeah.
See Shatta for now no so then don't forget this stone boy. Don't focus on no kwakwa because this time around I say Shatta we are exploded the whole world. This is maybe the biggest platform for him to do it. Don't focus on you man or so. Now stone when then on your fearsome. Sometimes we the assembly call quarter and I say when you believe stone when you stone when assembly the fearsome. For now, don't forget the maybe now or like video call now or roasters key now. They know the map pressure no. Don't forget when video call on share you often share drafts. After that, no releases our course no. Don't focus on you wishing the best. Thank you, Yumpa. It's a new stone when never could be ma. Then you say Jupiter so when you chance or her, we say a chance or don't forget. Don't focus on you know now. A good show. Good show. No matter how we being fans, we are still a back as a Ghana.
Yeah, sure.
As a major couple on the ball in or selling who Dubai and other countries. Yankasa or if you Kumasi and so a black star painting. Other you are a Ghana.
Yeah.
Shatta, we wish you all the best.
In the same now, Roche is not seven. I send you on man person mechana, yadi anusina. Yeah, prepare any other news be about the bebre for Roosters. Metisana among forecast. Roosters no boy say. I think that there are videos online. I just say the Roosters is coming to Ghana, like they are shipping it to Ghana. So definitely, I'm very sure say be about be Drew and Sana Shatta Beba and Sana, and I say be a Shatta be Drew and Sana Roosters na be de I be Drew Ghana. So this is all beautiful things that like we are just wishing to see.
People are saying the Roosters is second-hand Roosters.
Second hand.
I'm for that kind.
Okay, no, but
no,
yes, I understand. But what they are saying, whether second hand or third hand or for fourth hand, yes, it's not everybody that will get
I mean,
such an amount of money to go and purchase that. So imagine say be as and come fan say be show ya Shatta Wale na say be obi achew fourth generation or I say be fourth use Rolls Royce. No, like I'm just saying it. It's a beautiful thing because show now concert no, it's a very big one. So all Buffy, na say be about the Drew fee, na say be a Rolls Royce, no so about. It will be nice, like it will be beautiful. You understand?
Yes.
For someone like Shatta. You understand? Yes. So that is it. That's and I will be kind.
Oh, this is all the best. You wish him all the best.
Yeah, sure. So as I was saying, if across the line, say BI news be and I say anything pops up, we will surely come back and then give it to you guys. All right.
One done, one guard. They are all one. Okay. one done, one guard, 1-1.
Yeah. Omiya one. Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Defenders in there. Boy in there. All
right.
Boy.
All right.
So back. Okay.
Thank you for watching us on Ben Max Studios. But as I said earlier on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that anytime we post a video, you'll be the first person to watch. All right. Thank you. Bye.